Hey you all, so I just now received this package and let's unbox this. Okay, I've got these two dresses. Let's go with the pink one because this is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my god, this looks so pretty. It was actually there in 3 shades. I feel beige, pink, and then one more, and I thought pink is my color. And this is the dress. Now moving on to this black dress. It's a very cozy, comfy dress, and this is how it looks. I am honestly so excited to try this on. To see a full try on haul, go to my Instagram. Here's my Instagram username, and yeah, enjoy.